Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of the USB Type-C hub by Logilink. That is a Gen 1 USB 3.2 cable hub like that gives you more ports on your mobile device. And what is great is that this is a plug-and-play device that works with Windows, macOS, Android. There is also a Chromebook and there is a MacBook support in order to expand your connectivity on those devices. Overall, this is a really budget-oriented solution and that might be more flexible than a dongle. So let's open this box and check closely the product itself. Now, I forgot to mention that this is to connect all the USB ports here. You have a USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0 ports, so we can break this seal here and check the product. Now, this hub has the basic USB ports that one will need to connect a plethora of devices and peripherals to your main system, and that since most of the modern laptops and portable devices have a USB Type-C port and a great lack of typical USB ports to connect some USB 2.0 and 3.0 devices. At this point I'll just tear the box apart and here we have it. That should do the trick. And what it seems here, we have first the manual itself. So let's open it up and check what are the specifications of this product in various languages, as it seems. We have English here and German and some other languages on the rear side. And you can check here how to install the hub, actually connecting it to your device with a USB Type-C port. Being plug and play means that it will work automatically. So let's leave that aside and check closely the hub itself. That is this cable type hub or converter, if one could say, with two USB Type 2.0 and one USB 3.0 ports, as you can see here. The USB 3.0 has this distinct blue color and the others are black. This is clearly a very portable cable that you can lock here with a keychain-like holder so that you won't lose it. I really like this metallic casing and this flat cable is really great. I really like the build quality here, and these separate cable ports are really great as an idea. I can think a lot of cases that you'll need this feature of your USB ports. So this was the unboxing of the Logilink USB Type-C hub. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.